Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to access our Flipgrid within our Microsoft Teams class page. So you're going to go to one of these tabs here at the top. If you don't see it, it's probably in this More category. So click on the little arrow, then you'll see Flipgrid. Once you get to Flipgrid, you're going to log in with Microsoft, and you're going to have to use your child's username at student.pusd11.net and their password. Then you will see our class Flipgrid. The first topic that I want students to look at is that it's Annette's birthday tomorrow, so we're going to celebrate Annette's birthday on April 1st by showing her some birthday love. So to do that, the students are going to respond to either this question up here or whatever the topic is. So for this one, it's for Annette's birthday. So post a video of yourself wishing her happy birthday. So to post a video, you click on this plus sign. And then it will bring up the camera. And then you're going to record a little video of saying, it's going to do a countdown. Happy birthday, Annette. Then you can pause, hit next. Done. Happy birthday, Annette. Done. So it kind of shows you your little video clip. Then you get to take a selfie. And that's going to be like the little thing that the kids will click on to see each other's videos. They can add little stickers. They can add text to make it fun. Cancel, and then you hit next. And then it's going to prepare your video. You can change your name and hit submit. Once you submit, then you'll see your little video here. The kids can click on it and see the responses to Annette's birthday.
Happy birthday, Annette. I miss seeing your smiling face in class every day. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful birthday and eat some cake for all of us. Bye.
So Flipgrid is just kind of a way for us to stay connected and to have a little bit of fun and to kind of build our class community. So that is how you get onto our Flipgrid from within our Microsoft Teams class page. I hope that was helpful. Check it out if you want to.